gonna try
Daddy.
Sal. Yeah, don't pick her up. We're trying to get, Donna's trying to get her.
Yeah, you look that way. You look this way. You look that way.
Yeah, Jennifer just brought the two of them over this morning.
Oh, now is she back or not?
No, they're leaving this morning. They left for
Oh,
Boston this
okay.
morning. She was so
Tasha,
mad that
Tasha,
she wanted to come
Tasha,
so
Tasha,
bad.
smile. Tasha,
Tasha.
doo-doo. Tasha, Tasha, come. Come on.
Who is that, Pip? Huh? Pip wanted to get acquainted.
Yeah.
Who is that?
There are little tiny ones here. You're bigger than one of them. Yeah, you're bigger than one of them. Yeah, you're bigger.
What do
See,
you
she
think,
has the
Smidge?
squirrel tail.
What do
You
you
see
think,
it?
Smidge?
That it
Uh-huh.
turns up like that.
Don't almost all of them?
No, Zoe's isn't.
Both of mine. Both of
A
mine.
lot of them are.
Wait a minute, where are we
Both
here?
of yours have squirrel
Uh-huh,
tails?
uh-huh.
None of yours.
Toodles is
No, they
squirrely.
don't.
None of yours.